Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how the python kills its prey. The python is a reptile which kills its prey by ambush. The unsuspecting animal will first be gripped into the python's jaws, after which the python will wrap its coil around the victim's body, squeezing hard until it can no longer breathe. The python may even burst its victim's blood vessels in the process of subduing it. Eventually, the prey may be swallowed whole and several weeks may be spent for digesting it. Pythons are found from India to China, East Indies and parts of Africa. No pythons are found in Southwest Asia. Boa constrictors live in South America and Madagascar. They kill their prey in the same way as pythons. Thank you.